Oh shit. Run
Run.
fast, little girl. Run fast. Oh shit. Oh,
Keep going. Jump. Keep going. Jump. Jump. Try to jump. Keep going. Jump.
Jump, you little bitch. You're fucking cheerleader.
Run and
Fuck
jump.
you.
Move right. Move right. You need to move. There you go.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh,
Ready? Duck.
shit.
Just stay down. Stay down. Jump.
I did. Stay down.
You did. No, you didn't.
I did.
No, because
I
you
was
stood back
down
up.
and she stood back up. Got in.
Just go. Skip it. You guys. Okay. Go.
They're like,
Okay. Now duck down.
dude, look, do you
Bring
see
it down.
me stand up?
You have to just crouch.
Dude, why
Crouch
do you
her.
keep standing up?
And here's another ring grab.
Jump.
Man, this kid's like, oh,
Are you
really? It looks like it.
Go, Mariah. You need to stay
you.
visible. It doesn't see
I
you.
don't give a fuck.
Okay.
Like, look, she won't stay crouched down. No matter what I do.
Oh, that one you like needed to move. Okay, go.
Had the right stuff behind me. Man, I'm glad I'm up here, not down there on that wall.
Jump! Oh, that was so better. Wait for it to hit you.
Oh, wait for it to hit me?
Never mind. Just keep going. Keep jumping.
I was like, I wasn't
There. Yeah, jump. Start jumping. Oh, yeah. Keep jumping.
No,
Okay,
dude,
skip
was
it.
Too late.
No.
I was already too late.
I did it.
Yeah, dude.
She did a
The way I
perfect.
was doing it, it
She
was
did a
already felt like I
perfect
couldn't-
star. Yeah, it's a perfect star.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
gonna
go.
be hitting you next time.
Okay, go for it. Careful. You can't jump. Run.
I just wanted the ring.
It's a good one here. I don't know if she used the word good enough.
Wipe out.
Run.
Oh!
Just run. I knew once I started that.
Go.
Oh shit.
Jump. You're supposed to jump. You can't. You're not doing anything now, Mariah. Move right. There you go. Arms up. Don't lean. Keep going. No!
Why was she leaning?
Knocked off, you get knocked out.
Look at her. She's trying to grab it. Watch. Grab it. No, don't let me fall. Arms up. Oh. Keep going. Run.
She's not
Run,
running.
chick. Run.
Why is she leaning?
Are you leaning?
No, dude, I was trying to lean this way to try to get her to stop leaning.
Oh, you're still going. Keep going. Lean the way she leans.
Why would that help?
Because. Well, too late. You're finishing now.
That was a poor showing in our course with Tiffany Bannister. Yeah, it's
Now is Mariah playing Wipeout.
Dude, we're deleting that.